Looking for a versatile and efficient solution for your drilling process? KD-CNC boring machine KD-612KC is your preferred model for high-end process, such as side routering, lamello grooving, lock-in visible fittings, cabinet straightener, and much more. Aggregates with 4 tools satisfies the diversified machining demands. Aggregate independently assembles, which is convenient for tools mounting and maintenance. 9 kilowatt spindle with 24,000 revolutions per minute for side routering ensures a strong power and improves efficiency. Independent control pressure plate equips on the drill head, which reduces pressure marks, improves accuracy, and assures a good drilling results.